If you are looking for a newsletter platform, then you may just be in the right place. Today, we are having a look at Kit. We're also having a look at Beehiiv. We want to know what they actually offer and which one is better. So let's dive in. Okay, so if we are jumping into Kit now, you need to first understand that it's an all-in-one suite. It's a very powerful email marketing system for e-commerce creators specifically. So here you can transform your creative business with email marketing that is built specifically for digital entrepreneurs. Kit actually combines sophisticated automation with creator-friendly tools to help you sell more and connect deeper with your audience ultimately. Some of their features include their advanced automation. So here you can actually build very sophisticated email sequences and sales funnels that are designed specifically for digital products and online courses. You can also create personalized customer journeys that will convert. They also have smart segmentation. And this is a very powerful tool. So you can actually tag and segment all of your subscribers, your followers, your email contacts, so that the right message gets to the right person at the right time. And this will maximize your engagement. They also have more than 130 platforms which you can integrate with, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Stripe, PayPal, tons more. And this can help you build complete sales workflows without any technical complexity. The last thing over here is some of their benefits and advantages. So you can sell products directly through email campaigns without complicated setups. Kit literally handles everything from product delivery to payment processing, letting you focus on creating. That's what you do best. You can start for free with support of up to 10,000 subscribers. It's perfect for a growing creator. You can expand affordability as your audience and your revenue grows. This is fantastic. So you get those integrations and up to 10,000 free subscribers. And this is a really generous free tier. Let's jump into Beehiiv now. And if you've used Beehiiv, you'll know how easy it actually is to use. And it is creator-centric. It's a newsletter-specific platform. And here you can really pretty much do anything you want with your newsletters. It's actually built by the team behind Morning Brew's Explosive Growth. And it reimagines the whole newsletter publishing for a modern creator economy. Let's have a look a little bit more over here. So some of their features include that all-in-one publishing. So there is a no-code newsletter builder, a website creator, and email platform combined. You can design beautiful publications that match your brand without touching a single line of code. Also, you can manage up to 10 distinct newsletters from one account on the Max plan. It's perfect for creators with a diverse content stream or multiple brands to manage. It also has built-in monetization, so native ad networks can actually connect with your premium advertisers. You can launch paid subscriptions, run referral programs, leverage boosts, all to grow revenue from literally day one. The last thing over here that we're going to just dive into is some of their benefits and their advantages. So it's created by the masterminds who scaled Morning Brew to millions of readers. Every feature literally reflects hard-won lessons about newsletter growth and reader engagement. They have a very generous free plan. You actually start with 2,500 subscribers and unlimited email sends. There's no hidden costs. You can scale affordably as your list grows with transparent pricing that really respects your budget. You get stunning 3D analytic dashboards. You can reveal exactly what's working, what's not working, and how you can actually improve that. The AI-powered growth tools also help you expand your reach faster than ever before. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. Now, my takeaway would always be to go and try the software. Find out for yourself what actually works, because hands-on experience counts for a heck of a lot more than anything else. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.